Tesla battery preconditioning is a feature that warms up the battery to its optimal temperature for faster and more efficient charging, especially in cold weather. This process uses the car's thermal management system to heat the battery, improving charging speeds and potentially extending battery life. Here's the Tesla dashboard, where you can see battery status and access preconditioning controls. The climate control interface allows you to set preconditioning temperatures. This shows the battery pack with thermal management systems that precondition the cells. This graph shows battery consumption, and preconditioning uses some energy to warm the battery. Watch as preconditioning warms the battery from cold to optimal temperature. Cold temperatures pose significant challenges to Tesla's lithium-ion batteries. When exposed to freezing conditions, the chemical reactions inside the battery slow down dramatically. This slowdown increases the battery's internal resistance, making it harder for electricity to flow during charging. In extreme cold, this can lead to lithium plating, where lithium ions deposit unevenly, potentially shortening battery lifespan and creating safety risks. Preconditioning combats these issues by warming the battery to an optimal temperature range of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius using the vehicle's thermal management system. This process consumes about 5 to 10% of battery energy, but significantly improves charging efficiency. The result is faster, more efficient charging. Preconditioning can reduce supercharger wait times and charge times by up to 50% in extreme cold, while potentially extending battery life by avoiding damaging cold cycles. To schedule preconditioning via the Tesla app, start by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, navigate to the climate controls in the app interface. In the climate controls, you'll see options for temperature regulation and scheduling. If you've set a supercharger as your destination in Tesla's navigation, preconditioning will automatically activate as you approach. Alternatively, you can manually start preconditioning directly within the app by selecting the appropriate option. Be aware that preconditioning consumes a small amount of battery energy, roughly 5 to 10% per session. To initiate preconditioning from inside your Tesla, start by using the touchscreen interface. Tap the navigation icon and enter a supercharger location as your destination. The navigation system will display your route to the supercharger location. Once the destination is set, the car will automatically begin preconditioning the battery as you drive. You'll see the preconditioning status and battery information on the screen. No manual steps are necessary beyond setting the supercharger as your destination. The system handles the rest. Tesla's navigation system integrates seamlessly with battery preconditioning. When you set a supercharger as your destination, the car automatically plans the optimal route and begins warming the battery. The system considers your route, calculating when and how much preconditioning is needed to reach optimal charging temperature. This happens automatically without user input. Over-the-air software updates enhance this feature by incorporating real-time traffic and weather data. The car adjusts preconditioning timing to account for delays or temperature changes along the route. This results in optimal preconditioning that ensures faster, more efficient charging when you arrive at the supercharger, all handled automatically by the vehicle's systems. Here are some practical tips for using Tesla's battery preconditioning feature effectively. Schedule preconditioning 30 to 60 minutes before your planned charging time for optimal results. This gives the battery enough time to warm up to the ideal temperature range of 20 to 40 degrees Celsius without wasting energy. Monitor your battery usage, as preconditioning consumes a small amount of energy, typically 5 to 10% of your battery capacity per session. Use the Tesla app or in-car display to track this. Avoid overusing the feature to prevent unnecessary wear on the battery. Tesla advises judicious use, particularly in moderate climates where preconditioning may not be as critical. This helps maintain battery health over time. Following these tips ensures that preconditioning enhances your Tesla's charging efficiency and battery longevity without unnecessary energy waste. Tesla's preconditioning feature integrates with its energy platform, syncing with Powerwall and solar integrations to optimize home energy use. This includes solar panels, Powerwall battery storage, and the electrical grid, allowing preconditioning to occur during off-peak hours. The Tesla app shows battery levels, and preconditioning consumes a small amount of energy, typically 5 to 10%. Energy flows efficiently during these times, reducing grid strain and optimizing overall usage. This aligns with energy-aware EVs, where preconditioning data feeds into AI models to predict optimal charging times based on electricity prices and renewable generation. Looking ahead, the future of Tesla battery preconditioning promises full automation through advanced AI integration. By 2030, vehicles will autonomously precondition batteries based on learned user habits, such as daily commute patterns, predicted weather conditions, and upcoming charging schedules. This eliminates the need for manual input, making preconditioning seamless and proactive. Advancements in battery technology will also transform preconditioning. Tesla's innovative 4680 cells provide superior thermal stability, potentially reducing the need for preconditioning by 50 to 70% in many scenarios. These larger format cells maintain optimal operating temperatures for longer periods, particularly in extreme cold or hot conditions, extending battery life and improving efficiency. Finally, wireless preconditioning via satellite-linked apps represents a groundbreaking development. This technology will allow Tesla owners to remotely initiate battery warming from anywhere in the world using global connectivity. Whether preparing for a road trip or responding to unexpected weather changes, users can control preconditioning through their smartphone, making Tesla ownership even more convenient and connected.